Hi friends! Today we're going to draw charming Disney characters. Let's get started. First, we draw Raya. Raya is a strong and determined adventurer. When drawing Raya, we can start with a firm yet soft face shape, reflecting both her bravery and her warm side. Pay attention to her sharp eyes, as if she is always alert and ready to face challenges. Her simple yet strong hairstyle gives a practical impression of a true warrior. Don't forget the accessory details that add to her unique character. With every line we create, it feels like we are bringing her adventurous spirit to life. Now, let's color it. Next, we draw Snow White. Snow White has a classic charm that is soft and elegant. When drawing, focus on her smooth face shape with a friendly and kind expression. Her big, hopeful eyes are an important feature to highlight. Her short and neat hair gives a simple yet elegant touch. Her calm posture reflects her sincere and caring personality. Every line we draw will strengthen the impression of this gentle character. Now, let's color it. We draw Pocahontas. Pocahontas is a symbol of freedom and connection with nature. When drawing, pay attention to her firm face shape with deep, meaningful eyes. Her long, flowing hair creates a dynamic impression, as if blown by the wind. Her expression shows wisdom and courage in making decisions. The lines we create should feel fluid, reflecting her strong bond with nature. By drawing Pocahontas, we learn how to express character through powerful simplicity. Now, let's color it. Next, we draw Cinderella. Cinderella is a symbol of hope and dreams coming true. When drawing, focus on her soft facial expression full of calmness. Her shining eyes give an optimistic and hopeful feeling. Her neatly styled hair shows simple elegance. Her graceful posture strengthens her kind and gentle character. Every line we draw feels like telling her magical life story. Now, let's color it. Next, we draw Aurora. Aurora has a calm and beautiful aura. When drawing, pay attention to her smooth face shape with a peaceful expression. Her eyes look soft, giving a sense of serenity. Her long, flowing hair is an important element that should be drawn carefully. Her body movement appears light, as if following the rhythm of nature. With every line, we create a figure that feels graceful and soothing. Now, let's color it. Next, we draw Mulan. Mulan is a symbol of courage and sacrifice. When drawing, focus on her firm expression while still showing softness. Her eyes reflect strong determination and bravery in facing challenges. Her simple hairstyle shows her practical and disciplined side. Her upright posture represents her strong fighting spirit. Every line we draw will strengthen her powerful character. Now, let's color it. Next, we draw Megara. Megara has a unique personality with a confident and slightly mysterious expression. When drawing, pay attention to her sharp face shape with her signature subtle smile. Her eyes look intelligent with a hint of playful sarcasm. Her wavy hair gives a dynamic and distinctive impression. The lines we create should capture her strong and independent personality. Let's color it. Next, we draw Mulan. This version of Mulan shows a softer and more elegant side. When drawing, focus on a calmer face with a warm expression. Her eyes still show bravery, but with a gentler nuance. Her long, neatly styled hair gives an elegant impression. Her posture reflects a balance between strength and softness. Every line we draw brings out another powerful side of the same character. Now, let's color it. Next, we draw Jasmine. Jasmine is a brave, independent, and curious character. When drawing, pay attention to her large and expressive eyes that reflect her intelligence. Her face shows confidence with a charming smile. Her thick and distinctive hair is an important feature to include. Her posture shows a firm yet elegant attitude. Every line will strengthen her bold and free spirit. Now, let's color it. Finally, we draw Elsa. Elsa is a symbol of strength and self-control. When drawing, focus on her calm expression with hidden emotions. Her eyes show great power along with the doubt she once felt. Her neatly styled hair gives an elegant and classy look. Her posture appears graceful and confident. With every line, we bring out a character who is both powerful and deeply emotional. Now, let's color it. Wow, amazing. We've finished drawing and coloring all the characters today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. See you next time!